another epic camping spot. It has been a long day. We're back in Wyoming, just south of Teton. Check out this spot. You ready for it? Here we go. Has this been one heck of a trip or what? Another great spot. Unbelievable. Boondocking. It's shallow a little bit here. She's okay. She's not gonna get out there. She won't go out there. She likes to just play with the water. We're not gonna put toys out.
No toys.
Let's get camp set up, even though it's freaking 9 o'clock. But this is the longest day of the year, so it's summer solstice. What you got?
Burgers, onions, easy night.
Since it's so late.
Yeah, which is a common thing.
But this spot, pretty good. Don't you think?
No, it's a nice spot. You can easy access to the water, although the water up here, it's definitely a spot. I don't know which national forest we're in. We'll have to kind of add that. I don't remember the name. But there's tons of water spots. We'll have to show you in the morning. It's beautiful. Our spot, actually, you can get to the Waterloo. There's like a little bit of lower ground before it gets like heavier rapids where she can actually get water. And there's like a little waterfall off to the side, which is like spectacular. So there's some kind of festival days going on today.
And it's Alpine, Wyoming is the town.
Alpine, Wyoming, and there's Alpine festival days or something. I'd look up the name.
For the weekend.
For the weekend.
Water.
So there is tons of people here camping. In this area, there was multiple different national forests, lots of boondock spots.
Oh, it's one national forest.
Well, one national forest. But lots of boondock spots where you could have like water access. I think a lot of people are here for the festival. So tomorrow we'll check out the campsite. We'll show you that. We'll show you all the water. And we will check out the festival and show you some other fantastic things that Wyoming has to offer. So definitely, I think from all the places between Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Wyoming is my favorite. You'll have to watch the videos and let us know what your favorite is. Or if you've been out here and there's some other sites you've been to, just drop the comments. We love comments. We try to get back and write to you. Let us know about coffee shops, good places to eat, awesome spots. We love to hear those things because then there are areas that we like to check out next time that we're in the area. Jack wants it super well done.
Half cheese.
Half cheese and a half a cheese.
3/4 cheese.
Wait, not a half a slice of cheese, a 3/4. I don't know how you cut a 3/4 cheese. Okay, wait, you eat a burger all the time and they put a whole slice of cheese on there.
I don't like that.
You're killing me, Smalls. They're still cooking. Like, you want to like dead and I'm not giving you that. Over here, that one's super well. Do you want that one? Wait, then I have to throw more burgers on. Can you first go with just 2 burgers?
Alright. I might only eat 2 burgers.
You want your bun heated up?
Yeah, but not burnt. Toasted, but not burnt.
Okay, wait. I don't have to have a toasted bun, but I don't want a burnt burger.
And that's the lens. My lens is not.
in a little bit. Where's your light?
Lulu, look! Lulu, look! There's Jack! There's Jack! Well, good morning. What an amazing spot. We got in late. Not real late, but it was 8 or 9. It was 9. It was still daylight. But it was worth it to keep coming down this trail because we're right outside Alpine, Wyoming, just up the road, down the road from Grand Teton National Park. Last trip 2 years ago, on our way back, we drove through Yellowstone and then cut across, so we never got to see the Tetons. So this time, we decided let's come to the Teton area. And we have another spot we're going to later today, but it's only a 2 or 3 hour ride, so we get to spend a little time here and relax. There's some kind of festival going on in town. We might check that out in a bit. Crazy river here.
We're gonna have to show you. Our site is absolutely beautiful. You have to go down a little dip because I was like, why is nobody here? We were able to make it down here with the teardrop, but you can actually walk down to the water. There's a little sandy part before it is pretty heavy rapids and the water's pretty fast. And then there's a beautiful stream, cascading waterfalls, which Jay's gonna show you. Lulu is in her heaven, but you just missed one of those crazy ducks with all the hair on his head.
Like a wood duck. He just flew into the river, and then he was like going downstream.
Lou thought someone threw a toy.
Lou was gonna jump in, but there was one thing with Lulu. Get out of the shot. Is it? You have to kind of protect her because she's gotten herself in some dangerous situations. Yeah.
She actually, one of the rapid areas where it wasn't as fast was actually jumped in the water but could get herself back out. She's a really good swimmer, but me and Jay contemplated just putting on her life jacket just because like that event, like she really thought someone had thrown a toy in the water and was going to go in the middle. And there was people across the way that were chuckling at her, but it would be pretty hard for her to kind of swim back out of the water where they're going as fast as it is.
So this is the Grays River. It's got an emerald green tint to it. It's beautiful. And there are a million boondock spots down this road. There's some fifth wheels out here, any size RV.
Tent camping.
It's just over the line from Idaho into Wyoming. We came in from Idaho Falls as we went south from Montana, and I believe it's the Caribou Targhee National Forest. I'll have to double check, but another world-class camping spot that we found, and we didn't pay for it. You know, this whole year we've been trying to do more primitive stuff, and it's just out west you can't beat the primitive stuff. Like, there's so many of these spots and they're not hard to find. It's just great. I mean,
well,
unbelievable.
why would you? I mean, like I said, we love going to our state parks and the campgrounds and all that.
We are like kind of hurting for showers and stuff like that, but we got our toilet set up. We can technically clean up in the river with some of that water.
If you can actually find a spot like this where it's limited people, beautiful scenery, nice and quiet, why not?
I wouldn't say it's limited people because there's a million people boondocking around.
But it's not. You're not like right up on top of somebody. Now with Jack, there's no bathroom, so we have our Joka set up.
Yeah, we got the loo bucket like we always do. We don't need a. But Jack, technically, if we had brought our Camplex portable shower, we'd be perfect. We should have brought it.
We should have brought that. Let me check on the dog before she's in the river.
Lou just keeps playing down by the river.
Lulu. Yeah, like she's in heaven. Come on.
But we slept good. It was about 49 degrees. It's gonna warm up today, 75. Really nice weather though. Just amazing.
It's a beautiful town. We're gonna take some pictures of the town. It's a nice.
Yeah, we're gonna go film down there before we leave.
I want to check out this festival.
Check out a few other spots up the road. The spot I was going to is further up, but it was getting late and we found this. and you cross the little bridge over the river. This spot's perfect. Like, you just can't beat it. It's amazing. The sun's coming out. It's gonna be a beautiful day.
I'd like to stay an extra day. There's just never enough time.
No, I'd stay, like this one, I'd stay here for like a week. You could go part around in the Tetons, drive up to Yellowstone.
You're right on the water. You can put your chair right down there. You're right on the water.
Fish, which we haven't had a chance to do.
Next week we've decided it's 3 weeks. We have to do 3 weeks.
Yeah, next time we come out west, it's got to be 3 weeks. You just need more time. We're at 26 or 2,700 miles in 9 or 10 days, and some of those days were long. Yesterday was a long day, but we drove yesterday long so we could relax a little today. And technically, we don't have to go to that other spot, but it's supposed to be really nice too. We're trying to just fit in as many beautiful experiences as we can, even if they're short. So we know next time where we might spend more time.
I guess that way we know areas that we really liked and enjoyed, so you can really condense it next year.
And here comes that sun.
As the sun's coming out. Ooh, it's gonna be a beautiful day.
We've got our first coffee in. We'll do some breakfast, have a little fire. Good.
Actually, we have to turn on this bacon though. Big piece of sausage, biscuit, gravy.
No, ma'am. I don't mind that. Whatever that gravy in a can is, it's not too bad. It's quick. Obviously, when we have time and she makes her homemade gravy, it's way better.
And then I made extra biscuits for our infused honey bourbon. You see that? You can use a stove on. I had it. The coals weren't down enough, so I had to like prop up some rocks and move it to the side. I got the perfect 350 because my biscuits were going a little fast.
Yeah, that old Coleman oven works pretty good. I mean, you really need to flip stuff that's in there. You can't leave it.
Kelly, you had that.
Yeah, it's the same one Cody and Kelly have.
But you gotta flip stuff. It's not. It doesn't like heat circulate enough to not flip things.
Alright, you guys, hope you enjoyed this one. Really quick. Unfortunately, I would have stayed a little longer, but somebody's ready to go.
Hey.
The water here is
Jack.
awesome. Gray's River, green, emerald green, one of the top spots we've been to, and we've been to a lot of good stuff. Very
Beautiful
peaceful.
Site. Beautiful site. I mean, I could definitely stay here for several days. It's easy access to the water, beautiful weather, nice and cool. Luna loved it. Easy access for her. A 2-week trip, I think Jack did really good on the first week. Once you get a little bit over a week, he's looking for a gym. He's just, he's having a good time, but it's a little bit longer. We're the outdoor people. This is a little longer than.
Crystal clear water, just icy cold. I kind of cleaned up in it this morning. Polar plunge. But we're on to the next one. One more in Montana, or Wyoming. This is Wyoming, just outside of Alpine, Wyoming. One more in Wyoming, and then we're headed down to Colorado and making our way home. So we hope you guys have enjoyed this.
It's been an awesome time off, especially with me being a nurse. A nice break to be out and relax. So if you couldn't get out, come out. I'm glad that you guys were able to come out and join us. So if you guys like the video, like, follow, and subscribe. And we'll
see you soon, guys.